The notes of a Dorian mode are essentially the same as the notes of a natural minor scale, with the exception of a raised sixth scale degree. For this reason, Dorian mode can be used in both major and minor settings. Here are the notes of an A minor scale. If we raise the sixth scale degree F 1/2 step to the note F sharp, we will have changed the scale from A minor to A Dorian. Likewise, the sixth scale degree of an E minor scale is the note C natural. If we raise that note 1/2 step to the note C sharp, we will have created E Dorian. As we learned in the previous video, the notes of a Dorian mode can be derived from the second scale degree of a corresponding major scale. For example, a C major scale played from the second scale degree D to the next D 1 octave above is called D Dorian. In that same respect, the second scale degree of a G major scale is the note A. Therefore, the notes of A Dorian can be played in the key of G major from the note A to the next A 1 octave above. This same method of finding and playing the Dorian mode may be applied to any major scale. Another way to think about Dorian mode is by its unique pattern of whole steps and half steps. Knowing that the Dorian mode starts on the second scale degree of a major scale, the order of steps which constructs the Dorian mode is whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step. Let's use this pattern of steps to construct the notes of E Dorian. A whole step above the note E is the note F sharp. A half step above the note F sharp is the note G. G to the note A is a whole step. A whole step above the note A is the note B. B to C sharp is another whole step. A half step above the note C sharp is the note D. And finally, a whole step above D is the note E. Again, this pattern of steps may be used to construct a Dorian mode above any given note. In the next video, we are going to discuss the mode which is built on the third scale degree of a major scale, the Phrygian mode.